What is going on, beautiful people? We have another Fan Mail Friday. I know it's been like
so long.
3 months since we have, you know, whatever. Y'all don't want to send us stuff. We understand, guys.
It's okay.
We'll do a shot up there. All the stuff that we've been sent is, we've kept it all. We're not going to sell it.
It's up top. I'll show you later. I'll do some B-roll.
So, this box, hold on, let me pull up the screenshot here, okay? Thank you. This box is from Brandon. Brandon said, "Hello guys, it's Brandon, big fan of the channel. I just want to say keep up the great content and I hope you enjoy these items for the game room. P.S. If you guys are ever in Massachusetts, let me know. I'd be glad to show you around the stores that I game hunt at." So shout out to Brandon. Alright guys, we have no idea what's in here, so we're kind of stoked to see what it is. I think he may have told us, but he didn't ship it out till like 2 months later, so I completely forgot.
I have no idea. I don't read
I have no
DMs.
idea.
I'm just kidding, I do, but...
You ready?
Yes.
Alright, first of all, decently packed. I will say decently packed.
Okay, let's open this first.
Alright, let's open this first.
This is yours.
Oh, brother! Brother, is that a Master Chief, the Spartan Collection, Series 2?
Do you have that one?
With accessories?
I don't see it. I don't see the lime green.
I don't think I do. Yo. This is dope.
Is my head complete? Yeah, I gotta duck a little bit.
Scoot back.
It's okay.
Yo, Brandon. Much love, bro. This is sick.
Thank you.
I'm definitely not selling this. You already know I'm not selling that.
No. Okay, let's open up the next little thing. Ooh, what's this? Ah! Exploding kittens? What the heck is this? A card game for people who are into kittens and explosions. Well, that is us. Thank you very much, Brandon.
Well, let's go.
Let's go.
What is
I don't know how many people can play. 2 to 5 players. 2? Well, that's fantastic. We don't have any friends, and we are 2 people, so we can play this.
And it says 2 minutes to learn.
Can we wing it? Because we don't really.
It'll probably take us like 20 minutes to learn how to play, to be honest. But this is sick.
Yeah,
we actually,
and it's factory sealed.
You want to get it graded by WADA?
Yeah.
We actually have some buddies coming over, I think on the 19th.
Yeah.
So we'll play that with him.
Heck yeah, let's go.
Sweet. Thanks, man. Exploding Kittens, original edition. Most backed Kickstarter ever. Oh, it's one of those Kickstarter games that like you kind of like invest into, right? Before it hits the market.
Is this a bubble mailer without the cover on it? Did you peel a bubble mailer, you psycho? I'm just kidding. If you did, that's awesome.
Babe,
more.
They're all like that. This is a
Oh,
big
they're
giant,
all like that?
This is a giant bubble mailer.
Now, how is that supposed to... That's legal? I didn't know that was legal.
No, you don't ship stuff like that. They can see it. What's it? Guys, I know you all can't see, but this is all we can see. This last piece right here. This looks big. This is a big last piece right here. Amy, pull it that way. Let's see what she is.
Okay. What the hell?
What the hell is this?
I ain't never in my life done seen one
Colco
of these things.
Telstar?
I've never seen this in my life.
Hockey? Tennis? Handball?
That takes me back.
What is this?
I don't know. Ah!
What year is this from?
Is there a spider on me?
Guys, this is a Colco Telstar thingy-majigger. Looks like it's from like the 80s.
I don't see a year on it. Is there...
Let us know in the comments down below what year this is from, because I don't see it. It looks like 80s, but it could be 70s. It could be older. No, I just don't think it's screwed down all the way. Maybe. See, there's a screw right here that's missing.
Ah!
It's a screw, guys.
Yo, I love this for packing. Thank you. And we're going to reuse this box. Just saying.
And all the packing supplies.
Brandon. Thank you.
Brandon, this is sick, bro.
I have no idea. Sorry, that was a hiccup. I have no idea what this is. But this is a sick little shelf display.
Yeah, it looks like it's like a multi-game in one. So I see tennis, I see hockey, and I see handball, and you kind of just move the switch.
This is the controllers. I do know that because I know for ping pong they had like this type of thing where it was like just a small little thingy.
Ping pong or pong?
Pong. Sorry, same thing though. Where they just like move the little knobs like nipples.
On and off.
You know?
Then it says, then it's got 3 levels of difficulty. So you put all the way to the left is beginner, put in the middle your intermediate, and then to the far right your pro. This is pretty cool. I've actually never seen one of these before.
I don't think it's pretty sick.
That is pretty sick. Brandon, my boy, thank you.
Thank you. We appreciate it.
I'll do some research on that because I'm not really sure.
This could look cool in the snack room somewhere.
Yeah. We could mount on the wall above the door in there.
Can we mount this? We'll figure it out.
You can mount anything you want to.
Thank you for that motivational speech.
Alrighty, guys. Well, yeah, that was our little tidbit right there. This is gonna be a very quick video. If you all do want to send us anything for us to open on camera or to be featured in a Female Friday, our P.O. box is listed down below in the description. Guys, we just love doing this. We love it.
Yes.
It's like Christmas for us. A lot of you all see that we make content for you all for pretty much free. Well, free to you. We get paid by Google AdSense and sponsorships and all that, but and so this is like a way people kind of just want to give back to us. Again, no pressure. Don't feel any pressure.
Yeah, you don't have to, but if you would like to, information is down in the description below.
Yeah.
If you want
to. Again, shout out to Brandon for sending this box in. This Halo Master Chief is sick. I don't have this one.
No,
we just checked. I have like 15 hanging up there. On the wall over there, and I don't have a lime green one.
He's cool.
Does that Halo 2 at the top, does that Halo 2 mean it's like a Series 2? Like a certain series? What year is this? 2021? Look at that Spartan Yordi.
Oh.
That thing's sick. Alright.
I guess I'm sorry.
Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. Comment down below, leave us a subscription, leave us a like, maybe ring that post notification bell if you haven't already so you're notified every single time we upload. We consistently upload 2 times minimum per week, whether that be in forms of shorts or mainline videos or Female Friday videos, whatever it may be.
We still post, we still upload.
Very consistently. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching, and as always, we'll be chatting. Oh, I can't reach.
It's too far away.